we had a commercial client in the heart of Chicago's Loop in one of the most congested traffic areas in the city. Their challenge was to replace a failing curtain wall system with a brand new system that contained North America's largest clear glass backspans that were structural. Now, those backspans were coming all the way from Europe. We had a short window where we could close down the street in the city. And what we had to do was use our VDC tools to plan this out to the best of our abilities. Now, we took a laser scan of that area, which gave us the building, the columns, the streetscape, and we put in models that are exact of the crane and the truck and the crate that these backspans were coming in on. And we used those to model a simulation through time where we could actually pick this crate off of a flatbed truck, use that crane model, and swing the crate right through the columns and thread the needle into the building and get it in place so that we can install this curtain wall. Now, we use that tool in conjunction with a planning meeting with our crane operator to really talk through how this would go. And frankly, there were a lot of opinions during that meeting on how we might do this, but ultimately that tool was the most effective means to communicate this process. And at the end of the day, that's the only way this went, is that crate went right through those columns in the way that we simulated, and we got the job done safely.